Hello there. Welcome to this gentle yoga practice to unwind. That might be unwind from your night just gone if you haven't had a great sleep, or unwind from your day and allow yourself to drop into the more yin state of the day into your evening. So wherever you're at, allow yourselves to come into a cross-legged seat, Sukhasana, and then rest your palms down onto your knees as a gesture of kind of going inwards and also grounding. And then once you're ready, if it's comfortable, close your eyes, or otherwise you can just soften your gaze and draw your awareness inward. And as you come into your seated posture here, as you arrive on your yoga mat, allow the shoulders to drop away from the ears. So really notice if you can feel a little bit of weight falling off your shoulders. Your chest is slightly opening, the shoulders are drawing back. And then start to create a few circular motions. Roll your shoulders forward, up and down your back. And just start to find a gentle, even breath cycle here. Inhale as you lift the shoulders, exhale as you drop them. And don't think about the movement so much, it's your breath, and then the movement just follows that rhythm. And then change the direction, squeeze your shoulder blades slightly into the back, lift them, and then drop them forward and down. Keep your spine nice and long. Imagine the crown of your head reaching towards the skies above you. Beautiful work, and then drop the shoulders away from the ears. Really let the elbows hang. Left ear moves gently over to the left shoulder. And then for a half circle, start to bow your chin down to the chest and roll your head all the way to the right. Right ear over the right shoulder. And let's do two more of these. Coming back through center, inhale. Exhale to release. Allow yourself to drop into a soft, gentle flow here of movement and breath. Next time your ear goes towards the right shoulder, pause there for a moment. And then drop your chin all the way down towards the chest. Keep drawing the shoulder blades in at the back so you're still elevating the heart. Take another moment here to feel the stretch from the back of your head all the way down towards the area of your tailbone. Then interlock your hands behind your back. Keep your fists at your lower back today. And then bring your head back over the heart. Start to inhale, reach the chest up. Squeeze your shoulder blades in. If you would like to, you can draw your knuckles down so you can extend your arms away from the body. One in breath here, and out breath. Very nice. And then release your hands. Bring both hands onto either side of your mat and then start to tilt your body from side to side. So imagine you're moving from your rib cage. It's a bit of a sway here. A way to get movement back into some part of the body that you might have not moved so much today. Beautiful work. And then next time your body's tilting to the left, raise your right arm up and overhead. Gentle side body stretch. Inhale back through center. Exhale to the right. Very nice. Inhale back through center. And then from here, take your feet together into Baddha Konasana, butterfly pose. Take your hands to your ankles. Shuffle your hips in towards the heels and then grab your feet. So wrap your palms around your feet. As you inhale, lengthen your chest, reach the heart forward. And as you exhale, start to move the body into a forward fold. Only go as far as feels good. And instead of just rounding the body, keep the spine long. And imagine you're breathing into the area of your lower back now. So find a few deep breath cycles here. Inhaling and exhaling. Very, very nice. And then slowly roll back up through to center. Take your hands, grab the outer knees, and then extend your legs straight forward. Feet are hip width apart, toes are flexed. Bend your knees as much as you like them to bend. Just making sure that if your legs are straight, your back is not rounding. Fingertips are forward, and then slowly start to sway your body into a forward fold. Come to pose anywhere where you can soften your hands down, again as this gesture of grounding, of connecting to the earth, connecting to that sense of peace, maybe of trust again. If it feels good, close your eyes and just draw your full awareness to your breath. With every in-breath, feel your body rising and lifting slightly. With every out-breath, see if there is more space to fold. Relax your jaw, your cheeks, the tops of your shoulders. And then with your next exhalation, slowly start to lift the body back up through center. Place the soles of your feet on the ground and then slowly lower your body down onto the mat. You can come into a traditional Shavasana by extending the legs, or you can simply rest your knees towards one another if that's more comfortable today for your lower back. And then again, place your left hand on the heart, your right palm on the belly here, or rather before you were visualizing the breath, now place your left hand on the heart, right hand on the lower belly. And for a few moments here, just allow yourself to unwind. Imagine you're breathing out anything that is on your mind that doesn't need to be present. Every time you inhale, imagine this is new energy. And see if you can really draw your full awareness to your breath. Just for another couple of moments, noticing the deep inhalations and exhalations moving through the body. And then release your arms towards either side of your body, hands facing up, shoulders relaxed. And then for a few moments, just allow yourself to be with that sense of stillness and that sense of surrendering and just letting go, unwinding completely. Remember that sometimes it doesn't need long to allow yourself to let go again and recharge for what is to come. And with a sense of softness, of Shavasana, of your practice in mind, bring the soles of your feet onto the mat, hip width apart, and then just gently rock the knees from side to side, a bit of a massage for your lower back. And then if you can, still with your eyes closed, roll onto your left hand side and lift yourself up into a cross-legged seat. And now this time allow your palms to face up. Allow yourself to receive the benefits of your practice today. Take a moment to bow your head to your heart in gratitude. And well done for practicing. Well done for stepping onto your mat. Thank you so much from my heart to yours. Namaste.